Just a tiny step forward with the Barbie boat. Got the prop shaft in place and a propeller on the end of it. So, rudder will be the next thing. I've got my tube in there for the rudder arm to go down through there. I'm just hot gluing that in place. And then, well, that's one from another boat that was directly fixed on the end of the servo, but I think I'll be able to squeeze the servo in there somewhere, and then we'll be able to operate the rudder. I wonder if I can fit it in that way around. We'll see. Typical, it's just coming on to rain. I just want to test whether that propeller is any good. So we haven't got a rudder on or anything. Haven't got the RC gear in. We're just gonna that was nowhere near full power, and that's only a 2S LiPo in there. So yeah. Okay, looks like it might work.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.